Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K70. In this video I'll show you how to manage lighting of your keyboard via app. In the beginning, enter Corsair app and go to Lighting Effects. Now select lighting layers. You can, for example, delete current layers and add new layers. Select preset for the layer between preset, custom or lighting link. Select lighting zone, color, and it's done. In the end, you can change lighting time. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.